The biggest money leaks in 2025 aren't dramatic. They're quiet, everyday habits that silently drain thousands from your wealth every year. Most people focus on earning more or investing better, but if you're leaking money on autopilot, no pay raise or particular stock pick will save you. Let's expose the top money leaks killing lazy wealth building and the dead simple fixes. Leak 1. Subscription creep. The average American spends $219 per month on subscriptions in 2025, according to CR Research, up from $91 in 2018. That's $2,628 a year, often on services you barely use, streaming, gyms, apps, software. At an 8% return, that $2,628 invested annually for 30 years becomes over $296,000 lost to wealth. Do this to fix it. Audit once a year. Use tools like Rocket Money or Trim to cancel forgotten subs. Ask, do I use this weekly? If no, cut it. Leak 2. Eating out and convenience food. Bureau of Labor Statistics 2024 data, adjusted 2025, shows average household spends $3,500 or more yearly on dining out and takeout. For many millennials, Gen Z, it's around $5,000 to $7,000. That's $400 to $600 per month you could invest instead. $500 per month invested at 8% for 30 years. That money would grow to $680,000. Here's the fix. Meal prep once a week. Cook simple batches, rice, chicken, veggies. Apps like Mealime make it lazy-proof. Leak 3. Lifestyle creep. You get a raise, spending rises to match. Harvard Business Review 2025 study shows 70% of people increase lifestyle within months of higher income. A $5,000 raise taxed at 25% nets $3,750. Spend it all, zero wealth gain. Next fix, the 50% rule. Invest half any raise automatically. The rest can upgrade life guilt-free. Leak 4. High-interest debt. Average credit card interest rate in 2025, 24 to 28% according to Federal Reserve data. Carrying a $5,000 balance costs you $1,200 or more yearly in interest alone. That's money you'll never invest. How do you fix it? Pay minimums on low-interest debt, mortgage student, avalanche high-interest first, or consolidate to 0% balance transfer if possible. Leak 5. Buying new cars. Cars depreciate 20% year 1, 60% in 5 years according to CarGurus 2025 data. The average new car payment is around $735 per month. Buy a reliable used car instead. Save $400 a month. Take the $400 and invest it. Here's the 3 lazy rules to plug leaks forever. Track spending monthly, Mint, YNAB, or free spreadsheet. Awareness alone cuts waste 10 to 20%. Automate savings first. Pay yourself before bills. Review big expenses yearly. Insurance, phone, cable. Shop around for 10 to 30% savings. Plugging leaks is the fastest way to free up $500 to $1,000 a month without earning more. That extra money invested lazily compounds into life-changing wealth. Click my Robinhood referral link in the description below so you can get started in investing today. You get a free stock just for signing up when using my link. Hit the like button if you're auditing your leaks this week. Comment your biggest money leak. Subscribe for more ways to stop wasting and start building. Thanks for watching. Now go be lazy and get rich.